Welcome to today's job circular. Today's job circular is about Drug International Company Limited, a pharmaceutical company in Bangladesh. They are looking for medical promotion officer. I have posted in previous time for this company for this position also. Now they are looking for more medical promotion officers. The key responsibilities are given here: promote healthcare professionals about company's product in order to achieve assigned sales objectives. Requirements: masters graduate in any discipline, excellent communication skills in Bengali and English, age below 30 years, fresh candidates only, willing to work anywhere in Bangladesh. Candidates who have applied earlier are discouraged to apply again. Apply instruction: interested candidates are requested to submit handwritten application addressed to manager human resources. Applicants should mention the post position they are applying on top of the envelope within 20th August 2021, along with complete resume, 2 copies of recent passport size photographs, photocopy of all academic certificates, photocopy of national ID. The address is given here, so if you want to apply this challenging and interesting job, you can apply before 20th August 2021. Thanks for watching. Wait for the next job circular. See you soon.